Hello, I'm Sarah from Beehive Science and Technology Academy, and I'm doing my Stanford project, which is the disappearing glass. What you need for this project is a glass rod, a glass cup, and glycerin. So first what you do is pour the glycerin inside the cup. Now that you have done that, you put the glass rod inside the cup. As you can see, the glass rod has disappeared. This happens because glass has light affected on it, and if you put something like glycerin or any kind of other oil or stuff like that, the object inside the glass will disappear. Thank you for watching Beehive Academy.